Well, in this episode, we're going to find out what some common mistakes are that most people make when it comes to using AI. And I want you to be aware of the fact that you should not make these mistakes. And if you do, how you can fix them. We've talked about these, obviously, but a bit of it is for reminding you and jogging your memory about them. There's a list here. These 5 things are the things you need to be careful of. The first thing is be careful not to be too vague, okay? So show a nice scene. What does it mean, nice? Nice can be many things. Be detailed, okay? Add specifics like a serene forest with sunlight filtering through trees. Number 2, exactly the opposite of 1. It shouldn't be that vague and neither that detailed because it's going to be confused, right? So we need to be careful to focus only on our concept, on one single concept. Number 3, ignoring visual style. Sometimes we might forget to mention visual style, but by saying it, we can get the best result. Neglecting camera movements, if you don't say it, if you neglect it, it is going to do what it wants. And it might not do what we want, what it is in our mind. And finally, ambiguous language. Things that might have 2 meanings. For example, interesting. Like the interesting in my head can be different with the interesting in AI's head, right? But for example, some words use like descriptive terms like modern, elegant, or vivid, okay? So be clear, concise, and specific about visuals, styles, and movements. Test and refine prompts as needed. These are the common mistakes that should have been mentioned.